Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and well. Today we will learn about history of computer. So, dear students, have you ever wondered who invented the computer? Yes, a computer was not invented by a single person. The term computer was originally given to the people who had to do a lots of calculations. But this job was boring. So they have to repeat same type of calculations all the time. Therefore, scientists try to invent a machine that can perform the task of computer accurate and very fast. So, the machine we call computer today are the result of many years of work by many people. Let us learn the history of computer right from early days. Concept of counting. The computer is an electronic machine that touches every aspect of our life, making it fast, easier and comfortable. In the ancient time, people used to count with the help of stones, pebbles, bones, stick, fingers, toe, etc. and store the information by making walls, pillars, rocks, etc. In the course of time, it became difficult to do bigger and complex calculations with such objects. So people started thinking of some kind of device which could make their task easier. The first calculating device, abacus, was invented. Early calculating device. The first is your abacus. The abacus was the first numerical calculator. It performed simple addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of numbers. Next is your Napier bones. It consisted of rods made from bones with numbers marked on them. Last is your Pascaline calculator. The Pascaline calculator was developed by a French mathematician, Blaise Pascal. It was made up of wheels, dials, and gears. Babbage analytical engine. The analytical engine was also invented by Charles Babbage. It had main key features, that is input device, storage device, a central processing unit and an output device. All these features are found in today's modern computer. And as you all know that Charles Babbage is as also known as father of modern computer. Now, let us learn the generations of computer. First generation of computer, that is 1946 to 1958. The first generation computer used vacuum tubes in their circuit. A vacuum tube consists of a glass bulb and wire. The wire is used to carry data in the form of electronic signals. The first generation computer was very large, expensive, and required huge amount of electricity. The ENIAC. that is electronical numerical integrator and calculator, was the first generation computer. Comes to second generation computer, that is 1956 to 1963. The second generation computer replaced vacuum tube with transistor. Here you can see the picture of transistor. It moved from machine language to assembly language. IBM 1401 and NCR 304 are the example of second generation computer. Next is your third generation computer, that is 1964 to 1971. The third generation computer was used integrated circuit, that is IC. These computers used smaller size transistor placed on silicon chip called semiconductors. The PDP-8 and IBM 360 are the example of third generation computer. Next is your fourth generation computer, that is 1971 till present. The fourth generation computer used microprocessor. See, you can see here the picture of microprocessor. These computers have thousands of integrated circuits built onto a silicon chip. They are more powerful and versatile. Desktop, laptop, tablet and smartphone are the example of fourth generation computer. Fifth generation computer, that is present and beyond. The fifth generation computer are based on artificial intelligence, that is AI. It is a technology that enables computer to think, learn and take decisions independently. Fifth generation computers can recognize speech and handwriting patterns. They are capable of communicating with other networked devices. Supercomputer and robotic are two major applications of fifth generation computer. Smart devices such as smart car, smart kitchen appliances and wearable devices are also based on artificial intelligence. Here you can see the picture. The first picture is a robot helping a doctor in surgery. Next picture, robots are playing football. Smart refrigerator, a drove delivering a package, supercomputer, and a self-driving car. Thank you.